What's up, guys? This account make $28 today. All right, let me show you yesterday. All right, and this account is a real live account. You can see it's a real live account. And all right, and this account, all right, yes, let's check yesterday how much this account make yesterday. So you can also be part of this community of trading. You are not trading yourself, everything is automated. So yesterday, all right, is two. All right, I made just $14, which is not bad. Just calculate $14, all right, in 1 month. Calculate it every single in 20 days. It's money. All right, so gradually by gradually you are making your money. All right, let me check on the first, which is Monday. All right, today is Wednesday. All right, on Monday I make $26. On Monday I even make withdrawal of $85. Yeah, I take profits. I withdraw the money into my Mex account, about $85 withdrawal. So you can also be part of this if you want to join. All right, just make sure to inbox me either on WhatsApp, on Telegram. Let me teach you how you can start making money with copy using a tag market. So your money stay on this particular broker called Tag Markets. This is the broker we are using. Your money stay here, but you need to just make sure to connect your account with the, all right, with the AI trading bot provide, which is Fusion. That's where you need to just link it together. All right, then all the trade is on the tag markets. So let me show you how to the money on the tag market. All right, this is the tag markets. I have like $8 here. All right, let me just try to come in. All right, on the tag market, let me just go to copy X. So your money stay on your tag market account. You are not sending your money to any third party. Your money stay here. So that's the beauty of this particular business. If you want to join, so just let me teach you how to do the setup. All right, you need to just inbox me. All right, so you can see. So if you want to start making money with copy, it's very simple. This video just based on educational content. This is not financial advisor. So you can see right now I have generated more than $218 with what, with Sonic AI profit. And this one I have just generated just $60 with this with this new FX. So even I still have available money to it. If I want to withdraw it now, my profit, I will just click on this withdrawal, and you see I still have about $40. If I profit, right, I can withdraw it. So guys, if you want to join, and this one, just if I still have like little money to withdraw here, just $4 as profit, which is okay. So you can take your profits every single day, or it depends on you guys. So here we are making money, guys. If you want to be part of this community, so just inbox me. This is not a get rich system, but gradually you are going to make your money. All right, so thank you for watching. You can inbox me on WhatsApp, Telegram, for me to show you how you can start making money with this particular copy trading. Just make sure to join my Telegram group.